Guys. I just built the coolest thing I've ever made, okay? And I really want you to see it, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna show you how to make this cool thing, okay? And I'm gonna tell you about what it is after it's made, okay? This is not dangerous at all. Totally safe to do at home, and yeah, dude, try this at home. The first thing you need to get is a large transformer. You don't have to worry about where I got this from. I just got this, and you need this plug an AC plug cord to plug it in, okay? And you need a capacitor, and yeah, that's it. Let me show you the other materials. You need butane, very safe to use at home, okay? You're also gonna need this for safety, okay? Mask, and this piece of a deodorant spray can. You know, the part where you press it down and it sprays out like that. This is from Dove's men's deodorants. In case you need to know exactly where to get it from, okay? And yeah, let's assemble this outside. I have to be outside right now because my parents don't trust me with fire inside. So let's put this thing together. So first, what you want to do is have your butane canister connected to the spray mechanism so that you can have a button and you'll be able to spill out the fuel easier so that you don't have to press down on the tube and such. And this will also work as a connection at the end here for this piece right here, okay? I had to cut the piece down, take off a few metal bits because it was getting too heavy for this and the nozzle was falling off. It's a bit wobbly. I'm gonna use some super glue with this once I acquire some. And now let's plug in our transformer. All right, the transformer is plugged in. So now to make sure it works. Well, seems to be working. And I got some alligator clips right here. So let's that alligator clip over there is what snaps onto this one, while this other alligator clip makes the spark at the end of this metal funnel. Okay, you gotta make sure the funnel is made of metal so that it can conduct the electricity, making a spark in front of the butane spraying out, making the flame. So let's connect this. All right, it's connected, and let's turn this thing on. There we go, it works. In case you weren't paying attention before, I taught you guys how to make a flamethrower with butane. Now, this design that I made outside isn't a very stable design, so of course, I was lying before when I said you could try this at home. So in case any of you tried it already and died, I don't know, it's your fault for trusting me. So basically, a flamethrower is much easier to make than you may think it is, which is very concerning because, you know, it only requires a few materials that you probably already have in your house. Like a spray can and maybe like a transformer from a microwave. And everybody has a spray can and everyone has a microwave. And everybody probably has the materials to make a flamethrower, you know, maybe with some other materials like a taser and hairspray. It's scary how easily you can make like something so dangerous, which is why I will not promote you use this very often, and I only promote you use this for educational or experimental purposes, and do not use this to harm anybody. And in case you're wondering how a flamethrower works, let me show you how. Let me show you how like the whole mechanism makes fire. Okay. Any traditional flamethrower would use a can of pressurized gas that would spray directly in front of a taser or any other sparking material to create a spark. When this pressurized gas touches the spark, it combusts and explodes around the air. This combustion creates a flame,